Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, the last day of the month, Tuesday, May the 31st, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. There are 3 puzzles left, the tectonic with 4 stars, the killer Sudoku, but now it's time for the binary puzzle and number 4630. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here. Here no, there no. Double O here, so here 1, there 1. Double O here 1, there 1. Double 1 here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double 1 here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here no, there no. Double 1 here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And then double O here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here in the first row, so the rest are O's. Here we have 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Last row 1 2 3 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 1 2 3 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, without any comparing. So it's easy to solve this one. Very quick to solve. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. The tectonic with 4 stars and the Sudoku mix, aka killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.